Hi, I'm Wolf Microwave, and this is Outdoor Journey.
Yay.
Okay, so, right here, this is the wild. It's my parents' backyard.
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's not. It's literal parents' backyard. It's just that's what it's called.
Right now, this tree right there. So you see this tree?
Yeah.
Camera on me.
Okay.
Okay, mate. This tree, you have to climb. You have to climb like this. Okay, ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Oh, help! I need a little. And we're back. It was a misfortune. It really was. Strained my neck. I had to go to the hospital. But I'm back. They told me I wasn't supposed to, but I'm doing it anyways. Don't tell the doctor. Okay. Today's objective: shelter.
A regular man would get his wood from the forest floor. I get it from the top of my tree.
Okay, I found my shelter right here, and it's not very comfortable, but it's the most I can get out here. If you can see, termites will be crawling inside my pants, you know, when I'm sleeping. It's gonna be a restless night. Now to take care of food since I got my shelter. Around here, there's indigenous mushrooms. This big. They're white, so they're okay. That's not racist. So right here, we're gonna try some of these and see how it goes. It's horrible. That was a minor setback, but that's alright. I don't think I said that yet. Wolf Microwave is still, he's on the hunt. I need food, so we're gonna see what we can kill with a rock. Hey guys, it's Wolf Microwave here. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and tell me if you want more.